India Meteorological Department (IMD). Established in 1875, IMD is the national meteorological service of the country and the principal government agency in all matters relating to meteorology and allied subjects. It functions under the Ministry of Earth Sciences. IMD is headquartered in Delhi and operates hundreds of observation stations across India and Antarctica. The Director General of Meteorology is the head of the IMD. There are 6 regional meteorological centers, each under a Deputy Director General with headquarters at Mumbai, Chennai, New Delhi, Calcutta, Nagpur and Guwahati. IMD mandate to take meteorological observation and to provide current and forecast meteorological information for weather-sensitive activities like agriculture, shipping, aviation, offshore oil exploration, etc. To warn against severe weather phenomena like tropical cyclones, nor'westers, dust storms, heavy rains and snow, cold and heat waves. To provide meteorological statistics required for agriculture, water resources management, industrial oil exploration and other nation building activities. To conduct and promote research in meteorology and allied disciplines. IMD is one of the 6 regional specialized meteorological centers of the World Meteorological Organization. It is responsible for forecasting, naming and distributing warnings for tropical cyclones in the northern Indian Ocean region, including the states of Malacca and Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and the Persian Gulf. World Meteorological Organization. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations. History. It originated from the International Meteorological Organization, which was founded in 1873. Established in 1950, WMO became the specialized agency of the UN for meteorology, weather and climate, operational hydrology and related geophysical sciences. It is the UN system authoritative voice on the state and behavior of the Earth's atmosphere, its interaction with the oceans, the climate it produces and the resulting distribution of water resources. Its main goal is to facilitate international cooperation in the development of meteorology and the exchange of information and technology related to weather, climate, hydrology and related environmental fields. Governance structure. World Meteorological Congress. It is WMO's supreme body which consists of representatives of all members. It meets at least every 4 years to set general policy and adopt regulations. Executive Council. It consists of 36 members which meets annually and implements policy. Secretariat. It is headed by a Secretary General appointed by the Congress for a 4-year term, serve as the administrative center of the organization. Members. It has 193 members including 187 member states and 6 territories maintaining their own meteorological services. Headquartered Geneva, Switzerland. What is meteorology? It is the scientific study of atmospheric phenomena, particularly of the troposphere and lower stratosphere. Meteorology entails the systematic study of weather and its causes and provides the basis for weather forecasting.